So the last lecture we completed the topic, that is the study of rations, different types of rations and characteristics of balanced rations. Now today we start with the next topic, that is measurement of energy value and protein value of feeding stuff. So next topic is the measurement of energy value and protein value of the feeding stuffs. Then the first is gross energy. That is the GE. Gross म्हणजे totals. That is the gross energy. So what is the gross energy? So when feeds like with the straw, hay, oil cakes, any feeds, when the feeds like straw, hay or the oil cakes are burned. जर काय आपण ही पूर्ण परिचयामध्ये बर्न केला आपण इथं जाळले आपण. When the feeds like the straw, hay and oil cakes are burns, that is the after burns, that is the heat is produced. So after the burning of these feedstuffs, then the heat is produced and this the heat given out. So this heat is the given out by each of these the feedstuffs. The heat given out by each of these the feedstuffs can be measured with the help of bomb calorimeter. So this can be measured with the help of the bomb calorimeters, and these are measures. These can be measured in units known as, that is the calories. So these can be measured across the measures unit, that is what is the calories. So what is the gross energy? So therefore this gross energy of any food materials. So the gross energy of food may be therefore defined as energy given out. So this the gross energy can be defined as the feed is the energy given out in the form of heat. The energy given out in the form of heat when it completely burns. जेव्हा आपण इथे completely burn down to its ultimate oxidation products, that is CO2 and waters. That is the CO2 and the waters. Thus we find that it is possible to measure the amount of heat given out by definite quantity of the feed in terms of degrees with greater accuracy. So when food as a whole burn, जेव्हा कोणताही food आपण तिथं when food as the whole burn, the heat is due to the sum of the total effects of protein, fats and carbohydrates. The gross energy of specific nutrients. So the when so the all the whole fields is birds, the total effect is about due to the fat, proteins and the carbohydrates. So the different in the heat produced, particularly the gross energy of the specific nutrients. प्रत्येकाचे बघा प्रोटीनची nutrient capacity, fats and the carbohydrates is the different. So for example, the gross energy of the nutrients in kilocalories. So this is the gross energy of the nutrients in the kilocalories. So this is the pure nutrients and these are the feeding stuffs. So the first is the example is the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates is glucose is having the 3.16 is the kilocalories, sorry, 3.76 is the kilocalories per nutrients. Sucrose 3.96 is the kilocalories, and starch is about the 4.23. So in case of the pure, they are the pure nutrients, and in the feeding stuffs, example is the oat having the 4.68. In case of the wheat bran म्हणजे भुसा आपण गव्हाचा भुसा आपण the wheat bran, it is the 4.56, and in case of the linseed meal is about the 5.12. So these are the energy, gross energy of the pure nutrients, that of the carbohydrates and the feeding stuffs, and in case of the fats, so the fat is having the more energy. So the fat is the energy source particularly. So in case of the fat, so as compared to the carbohydrates and proteins, these fats having the more energy. So in case of the fats, it means the butter fat is having about the 9.21, there is the 1 grams of, there is the 1 grams of, there is the 9.21, there is the kilocalories, and in case of the seed fat is about the 9.33 the kilocalories about the energy, and in case of the hay म्हणजे काय the वाळलेला होता आपण इथं हे generally prepared from the grasses, but the hay is about the 4.51, and in case of the straw म्हणजे कडवा आपण the straw is about the 4.43. This is the in case of the milk, so in case of the milk is having about the 4.43 about the so about the proteins. The third is the major nutrients is the about the proteins, and then the proteins, so in case of the casein, so in the casein in the milk protein, and the casein exists only in milk. It is having the 5.86 of the energy. So generally is the gross energy means the total energy produced by the feedstuff when completely burns, and it is due to these nutrients, the carbohydrates, fats, and the nutrients. So this is the first is the gross energy. Gross means there is the total energy. The first is the gross energy. Second, there is the digestible energy, that is DE. So the second is the digestible energy, that is there is the DE. So the digestible आपण त्याला जेवढं आपण फीड खातो, अन्न खातो, आपण त्याला पूर्ण आपण त्यामध्ये डायजेस्ट होणार नाही. So this digestible energy, that is the DE. So all the heat produced by burning foods, all the heat produced by the burning food in the bomb calorimeters is however not utilized in the animal body because food is not digested to the extent of 100%. बघा आपण जेवढं फीड खाऊ आपण त्याच्यामध्ये तर पूर्ण आपण डायजेस्ट होतं 100% त्यामध्ये ते डायजेस्ट होणार नाही. And these some are the undigested, and the undigested feces. The undigested feces means the waste. So the undigested feces when perfectly dried. तो आपण एक perfect dried तो आपण कसं आपण काऊचं बघितलं आपण डायजेस्ट इथं डन किंवा आपण मराठी आपण इथं सेम म्हणतो आपण, आणि सेनाला सुद्धा आपण इथं ड्राईंग केलं पाहिजे सुद्धा आपल्याला एनर्जी सुद्धा पर्टिक्युलरली तिथं perfectly dried as well as we know can once again burns. जेव्हा आपण जेव्हा डन समजा आपण घेतो आपण ते अगेन तिथं आपण जाळलं तर काय होईल, again the heat produced and burns to produce enough heat. And in fact in India बघा आपण इंडिया बघा आपण cow dung case गौऱ्या म्हणतो fuel city intensity. So in fact in India the dried cow dung is utilized as a fuel. इंधन म्हणून आपण ते यूज करतो fuel. This means that considerable quantity of heat of the digested food is eliminated in the feces. So the apparent is the digestible energy of the food is the gross energy of the food less by the energy contained in the feces. So the बघा आपण जनरली example आपण digestible energy म्हणजे काय. So the digestible energy is equal to total gross energy. The total gross energy minus the energy losses in feces. बघा ते एनर्जी टन मध्ये घेतला आपण त्याच्यामध्ये लॉस होईल ही मायनस केली आणि राहिले जेवढं डायजेस्ट दॅट इज कॉल्ड द डायजेस्टिबल. सो द डायजेस्टिबल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू GE is the gross energy minus the energy is the losses in feces, that is called the digestible energy. So after the digestible energy, third it is the metabolizable energy. Third, it is the metabolizable energy, that is ME. So we can discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.